Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Let love bloom in every moment. Faith grows where love is planted. A single flower can fill a room with hope. Love is the fragrance of the soul. Beauty and faith bloom hand in hand. Love is the sunlight that flowers need. In God's garden, there's room for all. Even the smallest flowers hold great beauty. Grace blossoms where kindness thrives. Faith waters the seeds of beauty. Flowers speak the language of the heart. Every petal tells a story of love. Let your faith bloom through every season. Flowers are proof that beauty surrounds us. In every bloom, there's a lesson of grace. Faith is the seed, love is the flower. Beauty is God's gift in bloom. Hope grows like a garden in the soul. A heart in bloom is a heart at peace. Each flower is a kiss from nature. Plant hope and watch miracles sprout. Each bloom is a reminder to stay grateful. Love blooms in unexpected places. Where faith is sown, beauty grows. Let your heart blossom with kindness. In a garden of faith, miracles bloom. Life is brighter with flowers and faith. Every bloom is a prayer answered. Flowers teach us how to flourish. Love and light are always in season. A garden of faith knows no withering. The beauty of flowers reflects God's love. Love grows stronger in God's garden. Happiness is a bouquet of simple joys.